Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on fine-tuning ChatGPT for specific tasks. In this video, we will be discussing how to train ChatGPT to generate product descriptions and customer service responses. First, let's talk about the process of fine-tuning ChatGPT. Essentially, fine-tuning involves using a pre-trained model and adjusting it to perform a specific task by training it on a dataset specific to that task. In our case, we will be fine-tuning ChatGPT to generate product descriptions and customer service responses. This dataset can be created by scraping product descriptions from various websites, or by manually creating a dataset. Once we have our dataset, we will use it to train ChatGPT. The process of training ChatGPT involves feeding it the dataset and adjusting the model's parameters to optimize its performance on a specific task. The process for fine-tuning ChatGPT for customer service responses is similar. We will need a dataset of customer service responses, which can be obtained by scraping customer service transcripts or creating a dataset manually. Once we have our dataset, we will use it to train ChatGPT. It's worth noting that fine-tuning ChatGPT requires a significant amount of computational power and resources. You can use cloud services like GCP or AWS to train your model, or you can use pre-trained models that are available on the internet. Once we have fine-tuned ChatGPT for our specific task, we can use it to generate new product descriptions or customer service responses. To do this, we simply need to provide ChatGPT with a prompt, such as a product category or a customer service issue, and it will generate a response based on the training it received. In conclusion, fine-tuning ChatGPT for specific tasks, like generating product descriptions or customer service responses, is a powerful way to take advantage of the model's capabilities. By training it on specific datasets, we can optimize its performance for specific tasks and use it to generate high-quality responses. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. This video was made with the assistance of ChatGPT. The power is real.
Please, hit the like and subscribe button. It's really appreciated. Thank you.